Squad, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, in today's video I have a guest chef, which is my nephew, and he's going to be showing you how he made this delicious homemade sweet potato pie from scratch. So if you're interested in seeing how he put this pie together, then keep watching.
T Squad, we are back with another recipe. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make some sweet potato pie. So stay tuned. Alright G Squad, so here's the ingredients for our sweet potato pie. I will be making two. So I found these two pie crusts here. They were frozen, so they have been set out to thaw. Of course you cannot have sweet potato pies without these sweet potatoes. I'm going to put about 4 to 5 in the pot and get them boiling and make them nice and soft. I'll show you how they should look when you're ready to take them out. We got some ground cinnamon here. We got some ground nutmeg. We have some pure vanilla extract. Try to get the pure vanilla extract if you can. It has a better quality taste than the imitation. There, we got 2 sticks of salted butter that we're going to melt down. We got 2 eggs here. We got your 1 cup of brown sugar. Packed. You got 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 1/4 cup of sugar. The ingredients will be in the description. And I'm getting ready to show you how to start this amazing recipe. Alright, so we got our potatoes done out. We peeled the skin off of it and placed it in our bowl. And one of the things that you'll notice is nice and soft. And that's how you want it to be. So now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and start mashing them up and getting them ready so we can mix it. So any chunks that are left, we just want to break those down. Some nice, small little mushy pieces. And we're going to mix it up so it doesn't have to be perfect, but
you're going to use a blender.
Yep, we are going to use the blender for it. And I have 1 extra potato left just in case the mixture doesn't come out with the right ratio of potatoes that I need. So, but now that we got that nice and mixed, that's probably about where we need it to go. Where we need it to be. I'm going to go ahead and add my butter that I have melted down. There's 2 sticks of salted butter that we had earlier. We're going to go ahead and add this to the mixture, or to the potatoes. And then I'm going to just go ahead and blend these together.
Teaspoon or tablespoon?
Tablespoon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready.
Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and put our ground cinnamon. Recipe calls for 2 tablespoons. This is the at-home cooked version.
That's 1.
1. And that's 2.
2 heaping tablespoons.
And now we're going to go with 1 tablespoon of ground nutmeg. This is...
Okay. All right.
Ooh, okay. That's what makes the pie.
Then the vanilla extract.
Then we're gonna go with 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract.
I thought I cut that off.
No,
Okay.
it's all right. And then we need a teaspoon of salt.
Okay.
I'm gonna get that mixed up, and then we're gonna add our eggs, our eggs last. Okay, so I got everything mixed up in there, all the other ingredients, and the last thing I want to do is add my eggs. Partly because you want to make sure it's cooled down because the butter was hot and the potatoes are still warm. We don't want to cook our eggs. And secondly, you're making this to taste. So you want to make sure that you taste it without the eggs being in there. So now this is the last step before we put it in the oven. I'm going to go ahead and add my eggs in there. And then we are going to mix this up. All right, we're back. Sorry.
What? What?
My nose itch.
Oh.
Okay. All right, we're back. We got our pie mixture ready, all mixed up, and we're gonna go ahead and start placing them in the crust. This crust I got here was frozen, and the instructions said make sure you just thaw it out about 10 minutes before, and you can go ahead and put this in the oven just as it is. So I'm gonna use a measuring cup here to kind of even out my layers, and you don't want, well, not my layers, but my pie. But you don't want to overfill it because it will rise because it is a custard. So all right, so right now I got my pie filling in there. We're going to put it in our oven. The oven is already preheated to 375 degrees. We're going to pop that in there for 20 minutes. So I'll see you when you get back. Alright, G Squad, here is the final result of our sweet potato pie. I have let this sit in the refrigerator for a day so it can cool down and get congealed. So I hope you enjoy. If you made this recipe, please put a comment in under this video. I want to know what you think about it. Thanks for watching.